Amazing. It's like so refreshing. It's heavenly. Exact Papa John's. So yummy. Like I love it. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel All Baking and Cooking ABC. Hope you all are doing good. So in our last video I showed you how to make pizza. Before that in the previous video we showed you how to make pizza sauce. So today and I promised in that video that we will come with the ranch sauce or pizza. Barbecue ranch sauce pizza. So for that, first of all, we have to make the base for the ranch sauce pizza, and that is ranch sauce itself. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make ranch sauce, and after that the process of making pizza, it's the same. So I have got a blender here. If you don't want to, you can use any other thing like the whisker. The hand whisker, you can use that manually, or I would like to use the blender. So now we will put all the ingredients into the blender. It's very simple to make. Here is a tip for you to avoid the mess which happens after using a blender, especially if we are using some like creamy or buttery things, which like especially if you are going to add into this blender some buttery or oily or creamy things, they get stick into the walls of the blender and it's very hard to take them off. So a very big like a very good tip for that which I use is that just oil up. You can use any oil like canola oil, corn oil, any vegetable oil, or even if you have like olive oil, you can use that olive. Just oil up the walls with the help of brush. So when we will be finished, you will see nothing will stick to the walls of this blender. So now I'm gonna add here are the ingredients. So this is 1 cup of mayonnaise, simple plain mayonnaise, and we're gonna add that. In this recipe we actually use same amount of mayonnaise and cream. So here I've got 1 cup of heavy cream. Here I want to mention that if you are like going to make ranch dressing, then you can use any cream like dairy cream or heavy cream or whipped cream, any. But I would suggest if you are going to use ranch sauce as like in the pizza base, then you should use heavy cream, because so this is 1 cup of heavy cream and I'm going to add it into this. So the reason why I'm insisting here to use heavy cream because we are going to put it on the base of the pizza, and after that obviously we have to put the pizza into the oven. So what will happen if you will use dairy cream that also have stabilizer, but that will not be that much thick because of the fat content which is present in this heavy cream. So it is going to help us in making a thick creamy base for the pizza. And now time for adding the spices. So here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. And if you don't have fresh dill or you don't like to add fresh, then you can use dried, but in that case you will use like 2 teaspoons of dill. So I use I love the taste of this, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Okay, so the like quantity of herbs actually depends on the taste. Herb you want more dominant in the taste of your ranch sauce. So this is 2 teaspoons of parsley, dried parsley, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt. Okay, the amount of salt and pepper we can adjust later, so we don't need to worry about that. And then I'm gonna add half teaspoon of onion powder and half teaspoon of garlic powder. So this is it. After that I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you want your sauce I guess, I don't know, tingy or tingy. Okay, so you can use like more of the lemon juice, and you can replace lemon juice with white vinegar. So here I've got 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are making ranch sauce, and we want a thick creamy sauce because we have to use it in the base of the pizza. So that's why we are using heavy cream. If don't want to use it as a pizza base, then you can use any cream like dairy cream or any kind of cream. So let's blend it. So here is the creamy ranch sauce ready. We have to put it in the fridge for like 2 hours or 3 hours just to get settled down. But I just want to show you the consistency of this. And when we will put it in the fridge, it will get more thick. So we want exactly this thickness for the pizza base. So like it is, like it's holding its peak. You can see it's not very runny, and I can't tell you how, like now I would suggest always use fresh herbs. Like the taste of dill, it's amazing. It's like, it is so out of the world. Like I love it. It's like so refreshing. The fresh lemon juice and fresh like I wish I could have bought the fresh parsley, but you know, in Pakistan it's not that easily available, so I had to use the like dried parsley, but I used the fresh dill because it's there is a season in which dill is available. And for my Pakistani audience, dill is actually called soya in Urdu, and there is a season, like it is available in winter, mid-winter season in December, last of the December, so you can buy it in any fresh vegetable market. And like do try this. We are making it for the pizza base. Like we're gonna make now barbecue ranch pizza, that exact Papa John's pizza, which I love. But this is a great sauce, great dressing for like salads and any kind of snacks you want to have. You can have them with ranch sauce, and like it's heavenly. Actually, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. Like I love it. So now in my next video, we will make a pizza with the ranch sauce, and then I'll tell you how the pizza turned out. So for now, thanks and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.